Hello children, very good morning. Welcome back to maths class. How are you all? All are fit and fine? Okay. So children, in the yesterday's class, what we done? We done writing practice, writing revision, we done it. Is it? Yes. Okay. So everyone is doing the practice. Okay. So reading also you have to do it. Okay children? So in the today's class also we'll do writing revision. So what in the today's class I am going to giving writing revision no. So these all you have to write in your square line maths notebook. Okay, in square line maths notebook you have to write this all what I am going to give writing revision no in the today's class. This all you have to write it in your square line maths notebook. Okay children? Okay. So, so what you have to do? Number names you have to write 1 to 10. Okay. Now you know the number names, is it? Okay. So here you have to write it. Alright. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. Next. T-W-O 2. T-W-O 2. T-W-O 2. T-H-R-E-E 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5. S-I S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. Next, S-E-V-E-N 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Next, E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. N-I-N-E 9. N-I-N-E 9. T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. So once again read it children. O-N-E 1. T-W-O 2. T-H-R-E-E 3. F-O-U-R 4. F-I-V-E 5. S-I-X 6. S-E-V-E-N 7. E-I-G-H-T 8. N-I-N-E 9. T-E-N 10. Next, before numbers. So here we have to write the before numbers. Okay. Yes. So write the before number. What comes before 11? 10. Yes. What comes before 26? 25. What comes before 21, 20. What comes before 21? 20. Okay, next. What comes before 15? 14. What comes before 30? 29. What comes before 10? 9. What comes before 17? 16. 16. What comes before 32? 31. What comes before 17? 16. Yes, so like this you have to write the before numbers. Okay. Yes. Next, after numbers. After numbers. What comes after 0? 1. What comes after 5? 6. What comes after 12? 13. What comes after 15? 16. What comes after 19? 20. What comes after 22? 23. What comes after 28? 29. What comes after 36? 37. What comes after 39? 40. Yes. So like this you have to write the after number also. Okay, children? Okay. Next, between numbers we will write it. Between numbers. Between numbers. What comes between 8 and 10? 9. What comes between 21 and 23? 22. What comes between 31 and 33? 32. Is it? Yes, 32. What comes between 17 and 19? 18. Okay. Next, what comes between 25 and 27? 26. What comes between 35 and 37? 36. What comes between 2 and 4? 3. What comes between 7 and 9? 8. What comes between 38 and 40? 39. Yes, so like this you have to write the between numbers. Okay, children? Okay. Next, circle the pictures that is different each set. Yes. So, in the each set, one picture will be different. So, which that picture is, that you have to circle here. Okay? Yes. So, see here. Here, ball pictures are there. Ball, 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 flower, ball. So, in this set, which picture is the different one? Flower is a different one. Is it? Yes. Okay, next set. Star, star, triangle, star, star. Is it? Yes. So, in this picture, which picture is a different one? triangle. Is it? Yes. Okay. Next. Flower, moon, flower, flower, flower. So in this set, which picture is a different one? Moon picture is a different one. Is it? Yes. Okay. Next. Circle, 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 circle and jalebi and circle. So in this picture, which picture is the different one? Jalebi. Is it? Yes. Next, triangle, 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 square, triangle. So in this picture, which picture is the different one? Square. Is it? Yes. Okay, like this, you have to do the different set circle. Okay. So like this also you have to do in the PT2 exam, children. Understood? Yes. You have to write the 1 to 10 numbers, before numbers, after numbers, between numbers and circle the picture that is different in each set. So these also you have to do it. And you have to write this all in your square line maths notebook. Okay. Next, take the half cup. Take the half cup. So here children, tea cup are there. See, is it? Tea cups are there. 3. So in the first picture, full cup of tea is there, and second picture, half cup of tea, and third, empty cup is there. Is it? Yes. Okay. So here you had to take a half cup. Which picture you have to take? Half cup. So which one is the correct one? Second one. So second cup is a half, no? Yes. Okay. Next, take the thin tree. Take the thin tree. So in this picture, 2 pictures are there. One is a tree and one is a coconut tree. Is it? Yes. In these 2 pictures, which thin tree is there? Yes, coconut tree is a thin one. Is it? Yes. So here we have to tick. Thin tree. Next, take the full glass. Full glass water. Okay. So here 3 glasses are there. One is an empty glass, one is a full glass, one is a half glass. So which glass we had to tick here? Full. Is it? Yes. So which glass we had to take? Second one. Is it? Yes. So like this also you have to do in the exam. Okay. So this it will not come, children. Like this it will come to your exam. So you have to do it. Okay. Yes. So these you have to do in your maths notebook. Okay. Yes. So homework is what? What I taught in the today's class. No. This all you have to write in your square line maths notebook. Okay. So everyone write it and send to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Have a good day.